One of my partner's favorite dessert is a fudgy chewy cookie. He sometimes asks for it, and I have a 5-minute quick recipe that meets his cravings. This recipe surprisingly doesn't require butter, a huge amount of sugar, and an egg. It simply needs oil, whole wheat flour, and nuts. Also, the process is a lot simpler than the original chocolate chip cookies. I do admit that the original cookies are more chewy and fudgy, but these cookies are very simple and kids friendly. First, you need 70 grams of nuts of any kind. Chop it into small pieces. In a bowl, measure 240 grams of whole wheat flour, 4 grams of baking soda, 2 grams of salt, 100 grams of Muscovado. Muscovado brings in a good flavor, but if you don't have it, sugar will do. Pour in 120 grams of milk and 60 grams of oil. You can use any oil but olive oil because they have a pretty strong scent. Mix the batter with a spatula. Roughly mix 110 grams of chocolate chips and 70 grams of chopped nuts. And then use your hands to evenly incorporate the batter. It's time to use your cookie scoop. One cookie scoop weighs about 52 grams and makes a total of 14 cookies. Firmly press down the batter in the cookie scoop and place it on the sheet, and with your other hand, slightly press down the batter because these cookies won't spread by themselves. Unlike the original cookies with a great amount of sugar, these cookies have half the amount of sugar so it won't spread nor have crinkles. So make sure to use your hands to make the shape that you want. Before putting it in the oven, I made sure the cookies look palatable by putting a few chocolate chips on top. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius and cook for 11 minutes. Place these baked cookies on the rack and let it cool. The walnuts and the whole wheat flour makes these cookies nutty and savory. This 5-minute cookie is also chewy and soft. It's not too sweet, yet helps to really enjoy the sweetness of the chocolate. If you're new in baking, or if you want a healthier dessert and need a quick batter, then this recipe will satisfy your needs. Enjoy your baking!